Hello everyone. So in this video I will explain find method in JS. So in JavaScript the find method is used to search an array and return the first element that satisfies the condition of function you provided. If no element matches it returns undefined. Okay. So it is related to syntax is that array.find and then callback. Callback is a function that runs for each element and stops and runs the first match. So here I'm giving one example. So that is related to like const number, and in that array like 10, 25, 30 and 45. And then const result, and then I applied numbers dot find and num and then callback function. If num greater than 20, then it will print console dot log result. So in this array, in like first element we find like greater than 20 is 25, right? It's first element. So it will stop and then it will print result. See, it will print 25. So here the 25 is the first number greater than 20, so find return it. So that is the find method. So you if you will find first element is the like greater than, so that is the related to find. So I hope you understood the find method. If you have any doubt, so you can comment down. If you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you.